Presenting the Manfrotto 190 carbon fiber 4-section tripod. The 190 carbon fiber 4-section tripod with horizontal column has everything you need for perfect results without any hassle each and every time. It is designed for true professionals to the highest Italian quality standards. This camera tripod blends innovative design features with durability. This clever 4-section stand is made from carbon fiber, making it both equally light and strong. It extends to a maximum height of 160 centimeters and can take a maximum payload of 7 kilos. Each leg can be adjusted individually thanks to the Smart Leg Angle Selector.